Hey there, nurses. Have you given second thought to changing your nursing specialty? Well, did you know that or utilization management is a critical healthcare role where nurses act as patient advocates? Nurses like you work to ensure that patients receive the right care at the right time while keeping costs under control. This could be a perfect fit for you if you want to use your clinical knowledge in a different setting. Imagine making a real impact on patient care delivery, all while contributing to a more efficient healthcare system. Sounds amazing, right? Well, it can be. A career in offers a great work-life balance, often with remote work opportunities. Plus, you'll enjoy competitive salaries and the satisfaction of knowing you're making a positive difference in healthcare. With comprehensive training, you can be highly sought after. So connect with us to learn more. We hope to see you again soon, and thanks for watching.